In this video I will be demonstrating two simple ways of wire wrapping rings. I am using this rainbow hematite ring. This quick and simple wrap requires just one 8-inch piece of 0.8mm soft copper wire. Use round nose pliers to make a loop in the centre of the wire. At the base of the loop, twist the wires together once. Thread the wires through the ring. Thread the wires through the loop in the wire. Bend the wires around the loop and back to the front. Thread one of the wires through and around the top of the ring. Repeat on the other side. Wrap the wire twice more around the ring. Cut the wires a little shorter and use round nose pliers to make a loop in the cut ends. Bend the top loop straight. Add a jump ring to the loop for the cord or chain. Once again I am using a rainbow hematite ring. This wrap requires two 8-inch lengths of 0.8mm soft copper wire. Find the centre of a length of 0.2mm copper wire. Start weaving from the centre of the base wires. Wrap twice around one wire. Place the other wire above and wrap twice around both wires. Wrap twice around the first wire and then twice around both wires. Repeat this pattern. To keep the weave centralised, flip the wires and wrap from both ends. I have woven for just short of 3 centimeters, or just over 1 inch. One side of the weave will have a solid woven pattern and the other side will have a weaving pattern with breaks in it. Gently bend the woven wires into a loop with the broken weave side on the inside. Where the wires meet, bend the pairs away from each other. Wrap one of the weaving wires twice around the 2 inner wires. Repeat with the other weaving wire. Continue to weave the pairs of wires separately. I have woven the wires together, leaving approximately 1.5 inches of unwoven wires at the end. Just like with the first wrap, Thread the wires through the ring and then through the loop. Pull the wires by holding the wires where they are unwoven so that you don't stretch the weave out of place. Bring the wires forward around the loop. Just like with the first design, wrap the wires around the ring. Use round nose pliers to make a loop in the cut ends. Thank you for watching. Please join me for my next video.